Hi, my name is Gusha. You guys in McLean, Virginia, in my beautiful kitchen.
Hi, this is Emre with Build Design Center DC. We are at McLean, Virginia today in Michael and Gusha Papadopoulos' house.
I felt it was very important for me to give you my honest opinion about all of this and how I feel. We had a wall here. Our kitchen living room area was separated. It's been in my mind, in our mind for 10 years to remove this wall. It always seemed like it would be a very, very, very big task to do. So ultimately, it came from removing the wall. As a result, you can see what's happened. It's absolutely gorgeous. It's bright, it's beautiful, it's white. The floors are amazing. We met with Emre at Build Design. We sat with him. We kind of told him what we wanted to do. I was afraid that removing the wall would have problems, load-bearing issues. That wasn't the case. It was seamless. Put together a nice diagram on his computer. We saw it. He put many options on there, different color schemes, and we were really excited during that process. I'm very, very pleased, and most importantly, my wife is very, very excited about it.
We moved to this house 10 years ago and the kitchen was done then, but it wasn't like my style and everything. So we decided to get a new kitchen. We went with other companies' reviews, their website, and we went through all of those. And eventually we decided to go with Build Design. The reason was like when I went to reviews, it was like very personal. The designer was like really giving whatever the house owner was asking for. We decided to go with designer Emre, and he listened what my needs are, and he came up with very creative and very trendy ideas. Basically, I went with whatever his recommendation was, which I'm very happy with it because he gave me a beautiful kitchen.
So they came to me with an idea of opening their kitchen into their dining room area and the whole area first. And I tried to understand what they're looking for and see their vision, but add my own taste to it.
I was impressed with a couple of the things that they have done. First of all, we worked with project manager Sartaj. He was extremely helpful. He was great with letting us know what step is gonna be done today, tomorrow, and the next day. So there was no surprise. That's why it was like very, I guess, easy for them to meet their deadlines.
My favorite part is the backsplash, the color scheme, and how it all blends in. As you can see, we chose an induction stovetop, which is a beautiful blend along with the hood. If you can see the design quality of the backsplash, it's very hard to do. I watched them do this. To get those things perfect was a very, very difficult task. I'm just saying, I don't know how they did it, but they did. That's actually my favorite, how it blends in underneath. I didn't know that I wanted it until he actually showed it to me. And that's what I think the real difference is.
I said, like, I love trendy stuff, and Emre came up with actually all the inspiration. Like, he listened to my needs, and then he came up with what's trendy right now, what's gonna look fancy, because that was like kind of my intention was. So it was actually my designer.
They came up with an idea opening up their kitchen into their dining space, which usually is risky because basically you're opening your kitchen space into your dining room and your living room. First thing you see when you come into the house. So you would like some clean look, non-invasive materials that doesn't make it look busier than it is. We started from there. I understood their vision and blended with my own taste. We came up with white cabinets, and then from there you basically want to have some color. You don't want to have a pale looking soulless kitchen. So you need to mix up the wood, the metal and the stone all together. They should all work together in a balance. What we did was I put everything in a design. I show them in 3D. That will give them the confidence moving forward with the entire selections. We created a mood board. They seen it and they loved it. We literally achieved here something that has organic feelings, like wood is here, but it's not overwhelming. The stone is here, but not soulless. Glass is here, but not too flashy. White is here, but not too pale. So I think we did very great job all together. My job is not just understanding their vision, but taking it to the next level that they don't even know maybe it exists. That's the difference between salesman versus a designer. So what I did was to give them something more than they expected, and end of the day, they loved it. And I'm very happy with it.
I would absolutely hire Build Design again. I recommend them to anyone who's looking for an elite kitchen and bath experience. We've already hired them for our powder room and for the bathrooms upstairs. So we look forward to working with them again.
I would absolutely recommend them to my neighbors, my friends. All my experience was very smooth, extremely great, so I would absolutely recommend them.